for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog who loves to stir. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat, climbing high. H is for hat you wear when dry. I is for ice so cold and clear. J is for juice we love to cheer. K is for kite flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for moon shining bright. N is for nest with birds in sight. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for pencil we use to write. Q is for queen wearing a crown. R is for rainbow up and down. S is for sun warm and bright. T is for train rolling with might. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin with lovely plays. W is for whale swimming free. X is for song poem playing with glee. Y is for yak furry and strong. Z is for zebra singing our song.
Hi friends! Welcome to Sparklesprout 2, where learning grows with fun.